Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, we have to pull the release inside the car. It's just inside, right around your left knee on the driver's side. You need to release the secondary or safety release. Just kind of feel around for it. This one is right here. Squeeze up. Mass airflow meter is located here, back of the airbox. To remove it, start by unplugging it. Push down on the connector to unlock it, and then sort of wiggle the connector off. Spray some rust penetrant on this clamp. I'll loosen it up with a 10mm socket. You could also use a Phillips head screwdriver. Grab it, separate it from the airbox, just like that. Pull this harness away. So this is normally taped onto here. Tape is broken. You would have to either unclip this or cut the tape right here. There is a harness connector. There's a harness running here for ground. Open up this little holder. Pry it open. Open right up like that. One down here does the same thing. Pull apart. So with those loose, we can pop the top off. Pull these back. There's our air filter. So we'll take this right out. Looks like we had a couple squirrels living in here. So we're gonna unbolt this, clean it out. It's got 3 10mm bolts holding it down. Unbolt that, lift it right out. We clean the airbox out, I'll put it back in. This needs to go over this little air inlet here. Slides into place. Get it lined up with the holes. Install the bolts. Tighten these up. Tighten them until they get snug. And install the air filter. There's 2 cutouts in the filter to match the 2 openings, or these little rectangles in the airbox. Sit just like that. It's the upper airbox. Got these clips here. It needs to clip into here. Move the locks out of the way. Push it down, lock it in place. Run this ground wire back through these little cable routes. Snap them in. Move our MAF sensor out of the way, our MAF sensor connector out of the way. Reconnect the air intake hose. That has a cutout, it's going to line up with that. Bring our clamp up, snug it in place, tighten it up, reconnect the plug. The job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.